Hi everyone, and welcome to this episode of the Body Hotel's Body Concierge series. My name is Matilda Tonkin Wells. I am a dance movement therapist and also the co-artistic director of This Place, which is a trauma-informed dance theatre company based in Cardiff. So today I am here to talk to you about rhythm and the autonomic nervous system and ways of moving with and through anxiety. So, what is the autonomic nervous system? The autonomic nervous system is the part of the nervous system that enables us to react to stimuli in our surroundings. It's how we sense safety and it's how we sense danger, and it's the system that provides us with ways of reacting to that safety or danger. So when we're anxious, our autonomic nervous systems are mobilized. So perhaps the heartbeat becomes a little faster, perhaps our breath sits high in the chest, perhaps we feel some discomfort or tightening in the stomach, or we get sweaty palms. And all of these actions and more are triggered by the autonomic nervous system. It's the body reacting to stimuli before the conscious brain even knows what's going on. But sometimes these embodied processes can become a little out of kilter, and we can start to feel stressed or anxious and experience a mobilized nervous system, and it can be very difficult to bring the nervous system back to a state of feeling calm. And what we want to do is support our nervous systems to be regulated, which means to be constantly and dynamically changing, adapting to stressful situations, but able to relax and feel calm with ease as much as possible. And because this is all an embodied process, the best way to support regulation is through the body. And because anxiety and stress can be understood as the rhythms of the autonomic nervous system maybe being a bit out of sync, we're going to approach this topic through noticing and playing with rhythm. Okay, so we're going to begin standing on our feet, feeling the ground beneath our feet, maybe pushing our feet into the ground, and then just noticing the way in which we can bring some attention to the top of our head by that pushing down, feeling maybe the body in a bit of suspension in between the floor, the bottoms of the feet and the top of the head. And we're going to do a couple of breaths using the VU breathing technique, just to bring a little bit of activation and stimulation to this ventral vagus nerve, which runs all the way down from behind the ears, down the neck, around the heart area and the lungs, down into the sternum and solar plexus, and around the belly and the intestine organs. And by doing that, we're just bringing a little bit of sensation, a bit of stimulation, and this ventral vagus nerve helps the body to return to a place of regulation. So we're going to breathe in and breathe out. And the next one, we're going to breathe in and then make the sound. One more time, in and and you might bring a little bit of a shake now into your knees, just waking up the body. Lovely, and maybe having a bit of a jump just to get the blood flowing, get the heart moving, get ourselves into a bit more of a space of mobilization. And from this jumping, we're going to just invite some stamping. So moving the weight, shifting the weight from one foot to the other and pressing down to make a sound. Finding a way of just making a simple rhythm. And we're going to just add to this. So we're going to go. Lovely. And you can move around your spaces, just exploring this rhythm. I'm going to stay here, just facing the camera. And you're just going to add to this, really. So we're going to go. You can be playful with it. You can Notice the different places in the body that want to be included in this rhythm, and just do that. And maybe you can even use the walls, use the things in your spaces. And we're just going to increase that rhythm. So you're just going to stomp around your room, clapping and bringing this rhythm of your own, using the body as a percussion instrument, going a little faster. And you can even syncopate if you want to, but staying simple if that feels good. Going even faster now. And just coming to a place of stillness wherever you are in your space. Breathing in and then making that breath. And you can do that however many times you want. I'm just going to invite you to just notice the way in which we've moved the body from a place of relaxation to a place of activation, and then just noticing that you might need a little bit of time to bring it back to a place of relaxation, regulation. Okay, so we've come to the end of this experiential, exploring how we can use rhythm to engage with the autonomic nervous system, help us stay regulated and in sync, and hopefully feel a little less stressed and a little more calm by playing with mobilization through rhythm and movement, and regulation through the VU breathing. Thank you very much for tuning in. Hwyl, bye bye.